Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete call history in Line app. So first of all, launch open Line application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to delete the call history, you'll have to go to the calls tab. For that, tap on the calls option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see all of your calls over here. If you want to delete the call history, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find this option for delete call history. What you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option OK that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here your call history will be deleted. So that is how you delete call history in Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.